So what is up, you guys? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So why am I using the phone to record this video and not the camera? Actually, my camera's battery died and I did not want to go and charge it and then wait for another 2 hours before I started recording this video because I wanted to get it done ASAP. Okay, so don't get distracted by those things behind me. Those are my sister's stuff. Basically, she makes candles and those are wax. So before starting off with this video, let me tell you guys that if you want to learn how to do the hollow lip roll, then first you need to know how to do the normal lip roll. If you don't know how to do the normal lip roll, then it might be possible that you'll struggle trying to do the hollow lip roll in the first place. I will link down my lip roll tutorial in the description below. Go check that out if you don't know how to do the lip roll. Lip roll. Yeah, so first, assuming that you know how to do the lip roll, let's move forward. Step 1. A lip roll sounds like this and a hollow lip roll sounds like this. What's the difference? The lip roll, for doing the lip roll, my lips are moving like, and for doing the hollow lip roll, my lips are moving somewhat downwards. Why is this happening? Because I'm dropping my jaw. What do I mean by dropping my jaw? It's simply, this is how you drop your jaw, like that is how what you do when you drop your jaw. See, this thing, you can feel that this thing is literally coming down. So if you try to do a lip roll by dropping a jaw, like, see, I dropped my jaw, you might end up doing a hollow lip roll. That is the easiest way to learn how to do a hollow lip roll. A few people, rather, they fall to the genius category. They can actually do the hollow lip roll from step 1 itself by just dropping the jaw. Yeah, it just happens magically. But if you're not amongst those few geniuses, let's move to step 2. Step number 2, try doing the sub bass technique. Like, you do a sub bass like, this was a clean sub bass. How does a dirty sub bass sound like? It sounds something like, over here, what we do, we actually loosen our lips. Yeah, we loosen our lip, right? So instead of doing, we do. So similarly, try to do this dirty sub bass, or many people call it hollow sub bass, like whatever it is. Try to do this by breathing in air. Yes, you are inhaling air, and then suddenly stop. Don't breathe in air anymore and hold this position. Now you're gonna drop your jaw and try to do a lip roll. Now why am I asking you guys to initially breathe in? Because you're used to doing this sub bass. Because before learning the clean sub bass, people usually end up doing this like unclean sub bass. So utilize this posture, try to inhale and then stop inhaling. And then drop your jaw from the same mouth posture, do not change it, and then try to do a lip roll. Remember, while doing the lip roll, you're not supposed to inhale air anymore. Okay, so that was the second way of doing it. I had been calling it step 1, step 2, but it's basically one way of doing it or the other way of doing it, not step 1, step 2. Just forget it. The third way is basically same as how you did your normal lip rolls. Remember how you trained yourself to do your normal lip rolls? Like, similarly, you're gonna just drop your jaw and do the same thing. And then if you get this sound, then it's a good news. You're moving towards getting a hollow lip roll. Because I did it like this. I got the sound first, and previously I could not do the hollow lip roll properly, but with time I practiced and I got a grip of this thing or this sound. Like initially while doing lip rolls, you end up doing something like, and then with time and practice you get the control of it and you can extend it further. Similarly, while trying to do the hollow lip roll, you'll get something like, with practice you'll get there. Okay, probably these are the only 3 ways how you can do the hollow lip roll, but there are certain things I would want to tell you guys. If you do not understand how to drop your jaw, what are you gonna do? The first way, I already told you guys that yeah, remember I showed you how to do it. Just say and drop your jaw like that is the first way you'd get to know that you're dropping a jaw. The second thing that you can try doing is you can try clops. Like this is a normal clop, and if you drop your jaw, by no means can you produce this sound by dropping a jaw, because whenever you're dropping a jaw, your clops would sound something like and not. If you can do by dropping a jaw, that means you're not actually dropping a jaw. Number 3, you cannot hum while dropping a jaw. Okay, so basically, how would you know that you have achieved a hollow lip roll? You cannot hum while doing a hollow lip roll. Okay, this is a normal lip roll, and I can hum while doing this. I don't have to pause my humming while doing this, but while doing a hollow lip roll, this entire scenario will change. If I try to do a hollow lip roll, I cannot continue humming. Now, I had made this mistake, and I know that many people would make this mistake while learning how to do the hollow lip roll. They would end up doing something like, yeah, many people would do and think that they're doing hollow lip roll, but this is not the hollow lip roll. You can, if you can hum while doing your lip roll, that means it is not the hollow lip roll. It seems like I have dropped my jaw like, and I'm doing this, but listen to this. This is not a hollow lip roll. It is basically decreasing the octave or scale of your original lip roll, like see, my humming is always interrupted because I cannot continue humming while doing the hollow lip roll. This is the major key, or rather the indicator for your hollow lip roll. Forget it. So, like always, if this video was helpful for you guys, hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well. And if you have any doubts, or you might want to give me a suggestion or an idea regarding my next video, or you want me to make a tutorial on something, then comment down below. I will look into this matter. So that was it for today, and I will come back with another video next time.